Just jump in the boat! You got him?
Wait, what do you mean, jump into the boat? It looks far away!
Yeah, but you gotta go now! Go!
Try to remain calm! The pontoon boat is coming for you! You have at least a minute before you freeze! What? You are safe!
There's something here! There's a fin here, I think!
I'm telling you, it's a purpose! Befriend it! It will protect you from the sharks!
Okay! Come here. Hey!
Okay, that's a shark!
That's what I said!
Stop befriending it! Kill it! Poke his eyes out!
Fight it! Oh my god! That really happened?